The Varangian Guard, an elite unit of the Byzantine Empire, has captured the imagination of historians and enthusiasts alike due to its unique composition and significant role in Byzantine military and political life. This presentation delves into the origins, evolution, composition, cultural impact, and legacy of this formidable group of warriors. The Varangian Guard was formed in 988 AD under the reign of Emperor Basil II. This formation was part of a broader alliance with Prince Vladimir of Kiev, who agreed to send 6,000 Norse warriors to support Basil II. This agreement was mutually beneficial. Vladimir sought to consolidate his power and gain Byzantine support, while Basil II needed reliable and effective warriors to secure his throne amidst internal strife. The name Varangian itself is derived from the Old Norse word var, meaning pledge or faith, highlighting the group's sworn loyalty to the Byzantine emperor. Initially, the Guard was composed predominantly of Scandinavians, especially from Sweden, but later expanded to include other Norsemen and Anglo-Saxons. The initial recruits were primarily Vikings, known for their seafaring skills and combat prowess. These warriors were often seasoned veterans, having honed their skills in the harsh climates of Scandinavia and through various raids and expeditions. Over time, the Guard began to attract Anglo-Saxon warriors, particularly after the Norman conquest of England in 1066, which displaced many Anglo-Saxons who sought service abroad. Membership in the Varangian Guard was highly coveted. It offered not only substantial pay, but also opportunities for prestige and adventure. The guardsmen were well compensated in gold and often returned home with considerable wealth, further enhancing the Guard's reputation and allure. The Varangian Guard was known for its rigorous training and exceptional combat skills. Their weaponry was distinctive and formidable, most notably their large, two-handed axes, which became a symbol of their identity. They also wielded swords, spears, and carried round shields adorned with intricate designs. Their armor was a blend of Byzantine and Norse styles, incorporating chainmail, helmets, and lamellar armor, providing excellent protection while allowing mobility. This combination of heavy weaponry and versatile armor made them an effective force in both offensive and defensive operations. The primary role of the Varangian Guard was to serve as the personal bodyguards of the Byzantine emperor. Their loyalty was to the emperor alone, a crucial factor given the frequent political intrigues and power struggles within the empire. This loyalty was rigorously enforced, with guardsmen swearing oaths of allegiance directly to the emperor. The presence of the Varangian Guard in the imperial palace was a constant reminder of the emperor's power and the loyalty of his protectors. Beyond their role as bodyguards, the Varangian Guard was an elite military unit deployed in various campaigns and battles. They were often placed at the forefront of combat, where their discipline, combat skills, and fearsome reputation could turn the tide of battle. One of the most famous engagements involving the Varangian Guard was the Battle of Kleidion in 1014, where they played a crucial role in Basil II's victory over the Bulgarian Empire. Their effectiveness in battle was attributed not only to their martial skills, but also to their psychological impact on the enemy, who were often intimidated by the sight of these towering, axe-wielding warriors. In addition to their combat roles, the Varangian Guard also played significant ceremonial functions. Their presence at state events such as coronations, public festivals, and official processions added an element of grandeur and security. They were a symbol of imperial authority and continuity, bridging the cultural gap between the emperor and the diverse populations within the Byzantine Empire. The Varangian Guard facilitated a remarkable cultural exchange between the Norse world and Byzantium. Guardsmen brought their own customs, languages, and traditions to Constantinople, creating a unique blend of Norse and Byzantine cultures. This exchange was not one-sided. Many Varangians adopted Byzantine customs, attire, and even religion, with some converting to Christianity. The Norse influence was visible in Byzantine art, literature, and even military practices. Norse sagas and chronicles frequently mention the Varangian Guard, highlighting their adventures and exploits in the service of the Byzantine emperors. Conversely, Byzantine sources provide detailed accounts of the Varangians, noting their loyalty, bravery, and distinctive customs. Various notable historical figures served in the Varangian Guard, further cementing its legendary status. One of the most famous was Harald Hardrada, who served in the Guard before becoming King of Norway. His time in Byzantium is well documented in the Norse sagas, which recount his exploits and the wealth he amassed during his service. Another significant figure was Eiríkur Hakonarson, an Earl of Norway who also served in the Guard. These prominent individuals not only contributed to the Guard's military success, but also enhanced its prestige and attractiveness to other warriors. The decline of the Varangian Guard was gradual, influenced by several factors. The changing political landscape of Byzantium, internal strife, and the empire's eventual weakening contributed to the Guard's diminishing role. The Fourth Crusade and the sack of Constantinople in 1204 dealt a significant blow to the Byzantine Empire, marking a turning point in the Guard's history. As the empire struggled to recover, the composition and importance of the Varangian Guard waned. By the time of the Byzantine Empire's final fall in 1453, the Guard had largely faded into history with few remnants of its former glory. Despite its decline, the legacy of the Varangian Guard endures. They are remembered as a symbol of loyalty, martial excellence, and cultural exchange. The Guard's history provides valuable insights into the dynamics of medieval warfare, diplomacy, and the interconnectedness of different cultures. The impact of the Varangian Guard is also evident in modern popular culture, featuring in novels, films, and games that depict the Byzantine Empire and Viking Age. Their story continues to captivate audiences, highlighting the enduring fascination with this unique group of warriors. The Varangian Guard remains one of the most intriguing aspects of Byzantine history. Their origins as Norse warriors, their evolution into an elite military unit, and their cultural impact on Byzantium and beyond offer a rich tapestry of historical narratives. As symbols of loyalty and martial prowess, the Varangian Guard exemplifies the complex and interconnected world of the medieval period, leaving a lasting legacy that continues to inspire and fascinate.